All right, good people. So to get decimal places, we are in decimal places. Okay, so we find decimal places after the comma. So after the comma, that is where we find our decimal places. So we are given 5.6578. So I'm going to use both vernacular and the Queen's language. Okay, both English and my vernacular language. Okay, so we are given 5.6578. Then they say correct to one decimal place. Like I said earlier on, decimal places is after the comma. So we count one. This is one decimal place. Okay. Then we look a number which is to what? To the right of the what? The required decimal, which is 6, right? If it is 5 and above, we add 1 to the digit of one decimal place. So 5 is 5 and above, so we can add 1 here on 6. So answer would be 5.7. Okay, answer would be 5, 7. Okay, in vernacular language ndiri kuti nini, one decimal place tolinga pana pa 1 andizve. So after the comma ndo pane one decimal place totarisa number iri paside pacho to our right. If that number is 5 and above, kana number iri 5 zvichikwira tinoedera 1, we add 1 to the last word, to this digit. Okay, so it will be 5.7. So that's in one decimal place. Okay, so DP is decimal place. Okay, so two decimal places, so we count 1, 2. Then we look at 7. 7 is 5 and above, so we can add 1 right here, right? So it becomes 5.66. And that will be 5.66. And if you count 1, 2, you can see it is in what? In two decimal places. Okay, 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. Then we look at 8. 8 is 5 and above, so we can add 1 right here to become what? 8. So it would be 5.658. That would be 5.658 what? 58. That's in two decimal place. Okay. Question number 2, 0.95952. Correct one decimal place. One decimal place, that's 1 after the comma, one decimal. So we look here, 5 is 5 and above, so we can add 1 on what? On this digit, which is 9. So if we add 1 here, it becomes 10, but we cannot write 10. So we put a 0, then we carry 1 to the other side. Okay, so it's now 1, 1.0. So in one decimal place, it's 1.0. What about two decimal places? 1, 2. Okay, so we look at 9. 9 is 5 and above, so we can add 1 here. It is now 0.96 because we've added 1 here to the last digit. Okay, so answer will be 0.96. That's to two decimal places. Tiri kuti isusu taerenga 1, 2 totana 9. 9 ari pamusoro pa 5 andika apfura 5 zvichitokwira, saka toedera 1 to this digit. Are we together? So 3 decimal places, so it's now 1, 2, 3. And look at 5. 5 is 5 and above, right? It's 5, so we can add 1 on this digit. It will be what? 10. Then we add a 0 and we carry 1, so it's now 6. So it's now 0.960. We're together. It will be 0.960. Don't ignore this 0. If you write 0.96, it will be in two decimal place, but in the decimal place, add this 0. Right, so it's now 0.960. Kuti susu that 1, 2, 3, 5 takaedera 1 apa nonga 10, tonyora 0 takira 1 apa, uyu nonga 6, saka pa answer inonga 0.96 na 0 yatadini ari pa 9 post tazokira 1 apa. Tikangosiya ari 0.96 takasanyora 0 inonga yaku 2 decimal place. Okay, so 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we look at 2. 2 is below 5, so we cannot add anything here on 5. So our answer will be 0.959. and what? And 5. We did not add anything here, so it's 0.595. Okay, so I want you guys to try this one. 5,69947 to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, and 4 decimal place. So you can pause the video, then try to work it out. Okay, so our answer is 1 decimal place is 1. Then we look at what add this number here, 5 and above, so we can add 1. So it's now what? 5 comma what? 5,7. Then two decimal place, 1, 2. Then we look at 9. 9 is 5 and above, so we can add 1 here. It's now at 10. Then we add 1 here, it's now 0. Then we can add 1 here, 1, 2. So we look at 9, it's 5 and above, we can add 1 on 9, it becomes 10. Then we can write, instead of 10, of writing 10, we write 0 here, then we carry 1 here. So it's now 5,70. Are we in an agreement? Okay, so it's now 5,70. Okay, 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we look at what? 7 is 5 and above, so we can add 1 here. Then it should be 10. Instead of writing 10, write 0, then you carry 1. It's now 10, then write 0, then you carry 1. So it's 5,700. It will be 5,700. Okay, then to 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you look at 4. 4 is below 5, so we cannot add anything here. So our answer will remain 5,699. Okay, so guys, that's it on decimal places. Okay, so we are on significant what? Significant figures. Okay, so significant figures. On our last lesson, we look at decimal places, but now on significant figures. Significant figures is before the comma. Decimal places after the comma. Suppose we're given 5, 7, 2, 583. Okay, then they would say round off to one significant figure. Okay, so that's 1 before the comma. Then you look at this number, which is besides 5. If it is 5 and above, we can add what? 1 here. So it's now 6. So our answer, guys, it will be 5. Sorry, our answer will be 6. Then these numbers here up to here will be what? Zeros. So it's now 0, 0. So answer will be 600. Okay. So truth is also significant figures 572. Right? So tutaisa panapa 1 significant figure 1. Then tutaisa panapa side pa 5 pana 7. 7 is 5 and above, so we add 1 panapa. Sanonga 6. Kubva apa pese kusvika apa atwa machi mazero. Sanonga 6 0 0. Okay, so 2 significant figures. Then you count 1, 2. We look at 2. 2 is below 5, so we cannot add anything here. So our answer will be what? Will be 5 7. Then up here is what? This 2 right here becomes a what? A 0. It's now 5 7 0. Trikuti isu stoerenga 1 2. Tona number iri up. Ndika atipanisi kuadd anything above 2 is below 5. Okay, so it will be 5 7. Then 0. 0 uku we ignore after the comma. This number after the comma we ignore, right? So 3 significant figures. Then 1 2 3. Then we look at 5 here. It's 5. If it is 5 or above, we add here. Okay, so it will be what? 5 7 3. That's to 3 significant figures. What if they say 4 significant figures? Then you count 1 2 3 4. Okay, then you look at 8. 8 is 5 and above, so you can add 1 here. It will be 6. It will be 572.6. What if they say 5 significant figures? Okay, significant figures. Start counting here before the comma. 1 2 3 4 5. Then you look at 3. 3 is below 5, so you cannot add anything here on 8. So it will be 572.58. That's to 5 significant figures. Okay. Number 2, let's say given 5, 8, 9, 3. Okay. Then to one significant figure, there is no comma here. Okay. So 5. Then you look at 8. 8 is 7 above, so you can add 1 here. It's now it will be 6. Then these whole digits up to 3 will be what? 0, 0. Okay. What if they say two significant figures? Then you count 1, 2. Then you look at 9. 9 is 7 above, so you can add 1 here. So it will be 5, 9. Then the rest, just zeros. Then 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. We look at 9. 1, 2, 3. Then look at 3. 3 is below 5. You cannot add anything here. So it will be 5, 8, 9, 0. Guys, are we together? Okay, I hope we're together. Right, number 3 is we're given 0, 0, 5, 8, comma, 2, 4. Then they say round off to one significant figures. Okay, right, this one is a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm going to expose it. One significant figures. All right, so significant figures, a value which is between 1 and 9. Significant figures, a values which is between 1 and 9. Okay, so on this one, they say one significant figure. We cannot say one significant figure here. No, we look for a, or we start count to a number which is between 1 and what? 1 and 9. So here, this is where we have our one significant figures. Are we together? These zeros, they have no value, so we start to count here 1. Then you look at what? 8. It's 5 and above, so we add 1 here. So it will be 0060. Stop ignoring these zeros when writing the answer. So you're going to write 0, 0, right? Then 6, 0. Are we together? 0, 0, then 6, 0. That's one significant figures. Two significant figures. Count 1, 2, then you look at 2. 2 is 5, is below 5, so we cannot add anything here. But our answer will be 0, 0, 5 what? 5, 8. Are we together? Then 3 significant figures. So answer will be 1, 2, 3. Then you look at here. 4 is below 5, so we cannot add anything here. So answer will be 0, 0, 5, 8. Point what? Point 2. Okay. So in vernacular language, tiri kuti isusu maziro kana one significant figure atikwanisa kuti panapa 1 isu here. Saka tinotanga kutoerenga pane number between 1 and 9. Toya panapo ndo patinoti 1 significant figures. Andika totaisa apa toedera 1. Asi maziro edu paanza atimaignore but noma include, so it will be 0060. Okay. So that's it for significant figures. Okay. Okay, so that's your work. Question number 1, 2, and 3. And question number 1, round off to one screen figure, 2, 3, and 5. Then one decimal place, two decimal place, three decimal place, and 4 decimal place. Okay. Then question number 2, one screen figure, 2 significant figure, 3 significant figure. And question number 3, a 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 4 decimal place. Shalom. Have a great day.